team that deserve to find her thing. Come slide with a king, we gon' do everything. I need a queen with me, that ain't switching team. Come by with a king, girl, I got what you need. I need a queen on my team that deserve.
Hey y'all, my Dai-Ones, what it is, what it do, what's up with the crew, period. So y'all, I'm back with another video. I know I've been gone for way too long, but we're not gonna get into that. I'm back now. I'm ready to post again, so y'all be ready. Put them post notifications on, subscribe to the channel, share with your auntie, your grandma, your sister, your daddy, your brother, your mother. Okay. Today's video, I'm just going to show y'all how I style my locks. For those of you who do not know or do not follow me on Instagram, what you should, my Instagram will be on the screen. It's daya.michelle. I'll spell it out on the screen for y'all. And I also have it in the description box below. But I didn't have my locks for, I want to say, it's been almost 3 months with my locks in. Almost 3 months. Which I'm going to take them out in a few weeks. But I just want to say, like, I'm so in love with my locks. Like, honestly, I miss my hair, but then I don't miss my hair. I'm just like, I don't really know. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into the video because I talk way too much. Yap. I'm gonna be using this edge control by, y'all can see my camera is not focusing. Focus. Now the NaturAll Club, and this is the flaxseed edge control, and it's black. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna swatch it so y'all can see. So it's black. And basically, I won this from a giveaway from my sis. Her YouTube name is K Alex, which I should definitely go subscribe to her as well. Another, you know, natural YouTuber, and that's my sis, and I support her all the way, so definitely go support her as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the video, y'all. First, I'm gonna do my edges first. That's the first thing. But yeah, y'all, I think that was it. Like, that's really all the styles that I do. I'm pretty simple when it comes to my locks, because I don't know, I don't like really trying like new hairstyles, whatever, but I tried, you know, I try to style them a lot when I had them. So I don't know if y'all want to see like a part 2, and I'll do like some styles I've never done before, just to show y'all how versatile locks are. Comment down below and I'll definitely put that out for y'all. I thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I thank y'all for everything that y'all do, and everybody that checked up on me while I was gone or whatever. I'm back now, I'm good, and we're gonna be coming back with some good content. I love you guys so much, and that's on motherfucking period. No, that's on who? That's on what? That's on motherfucking period. I know y'all miss me. I miss y'all. I love y'all, my day ones, and I'll definitely see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Had to make it out the bottom, that's by any means. I can't wait to buy a crib somewhere overseas. One for me and for my family, what I really need. That's what I really need.